Here's a 2016 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably Audi. It comes with great features you'll love. Turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, integrated navigation system, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.